Look at that, we're in the garage. We got the nephew's Challenger here while he's away at college, and here's what we're working on. Right here, hard to see maybe in the garage, but see what we're doing? We're putting that flag sticker right there on. So stay tuned, we'll go through the instructions. You'll understand how to do this. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple, and you can do it yourself. All right, we're in the garage, and here's what we're gonna do. You can see there's lots of dirt and dust. So first thing you wanna do, make sure you get all the dust off the car. It's harvest season, so the old house here gets a lot of dust this time of the year. But we're gonna wipe this all down with a rag. Look at that, best we can get right now. All right, lint-free towel. I'm gonna put some alcohol on there. We'll put some alcohol and clean the window real well. Make sure we get all the dust off of here. Come over to this window a little. Down in the grooves here. Oh yeah. This gets any Rain-X you got on there off. You can see all the dirt coming off. So there you go. You get the dirt off, all right? Best you can. Get yourself a few pieces of tape ready. I'm going to use this tape to position it. The kit we bought did come with instructions, all right? Gives you steps to clean it, steps to put it down. They tell you hold the top while you peel the bottom. But we're going to tape it so we're bubble free. We'll show you how easy. Now the kit we bought comes with this cutout. Just wipe the window one more time. You can see we get a little residue. Get your clean part of your towel, wipe it again. Boom. Now, you can see this has got a peel side and a side you can see. Put it on there and position it where you want. Kind of get it all leveled out just where you want it. Hold it down. Start putting tape on it. Now by taping this, we got it where it doesn't move around, all right? We got to look here and see what we've got. We got a little bit of issue. It's the nice thing about taping it down and checking, all right? Take it down, check it again. See how it looks. You want to make sure you get it so all the edges are pretty even, all right? That's where we're at. They give you a scraper, squeegee it down. You can take the loose side, peel it a little bit, grab this, try not to grab where the sticky stuff is, pull it away a little bit, and start sticking it down. You can work each stripe. Not get any bubbles. You see how you can just kind of keep working that. Now you take this, you can kind of work it up. Work each one on a little bit of an angle. Make sure all your bubbles are out. That's beautiful. Half done at this point. Let's peel the tape. All right, now the next one. It gets a little tougher when you get here. You gotta make sure the bubbles are out. Again, we're gonna grab it, start peeling, so you can pull it away. And see how that goes. When you get to this big area, you're gonna work it. All right, work it towards the edge, like this. Just keep working it. Don't want to get any wrinkles or bubbles under it. It's got lots of star cutouts, so they work out easy, all right? When you get to a certain point, you peel it pretty far. Don't worry about scratching the sticker. It's got this protective paper. You can kind of work that. You can see if you get a little bubble, you can go back. Now is the time to work everything out. So once you pull the paper off, it's a lot harder to work. I want to especially work where the seam was, so you don't see it. No crease. You got to make sure that's taut, no crease. So there you go, that's on, all right? Next thing you got to do, you got to peel this. So you can pick a spot wherever you want, start peeling. All right, if you got it down good, the sticker will stick to the window. Peel it at a sharp angle so you don't peel up the sticker. You can see how that looks. Every time you come to an edge, be careful. There's another edge. You'll see it come up on here and you can roll it again. All right, you can see it. We'll take a look at that. We'll turn the camera for you. But that's it. You can see how easy and quick that was. Did that in like 7 minutes. All right, there's the finished product. Harder to see in the garage than outside, but you can see what that looks like on there. So there you go. There's a good shot of it right there. Easy to do, a little more patriotic. All right, easy to do. Buy yourself, inexpensive. Look at the look there. That is so nice. We're patriotic now with our flags on our Challenger. Something you can do. Matches the flat black stripes that the vehicle has, these factory ones. It's almost a perfect match. So ain't that great? So like and subscribe. You'll see more videos like this. Simple project you can do. Turn your post notifications on. Thanks for watching.